all, welcome to PSR Brothers. This is Nitya here. Today's video we are going to see some lovely collection of salwar materials. We have some nice simple office wear salwars. We have some nice pretty function wear salwars also. Chanderi, cotton, semi-raw silk, different varieties we have in today's video. To purchase these salwars, take a screenshot and send us to the number 938485129. I repeat, it's 938485129. And without fail, please do subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon to get regular notifications. And for whoever new to our channel, our store is located in Chennai, Mandavali. You can walk into our store from morning 10:30 to evening 8:30 p.m. Come on, let's start seeing the salwars now. Beautiful soft cotton mustard salwar with a patchwork in the mid with small mirror works in the neckline. Beautiful design. Very pretty one. We have small mirror works in the body either. The bottom is in same mustard shade with a very pretty dupatta of silk dupatta for this salwar in kalamkari print. This is the salwar, this is the dupatta, very pretty silk dupatta, and the price of this salwar is 1120. A very pretty semi-raw silk salwar material in a dark beige with center neck pattern. We have a beautiful elephant motif design. Very pretty embroidery done in the neck. The bottom is in contrast green with a very pretty silk cotton dupatta for this salwar. A lovely dupatta, and the price of this salwar is 670. Nice cotton salwar material. A beautiful Jaipur print. In that we have a small sequence work in the front part. A very pretty small sequence work in the body. Very lovely salwar material. This is the bottom of the salwar in contrast. Nice printed one, and the dupatta is a chiffon dupatta in dual shades. The salwar is like this, and the price of this salwar is 980. A lovely semi-raw silk material, a nice pink with a beige color combination in the center. Very beautiful pattern, more of a chakra pattern design in the front with a contrast beige color dupatta, and a pretty silk cotton dupatta for this. A very beautiful contrast dupatta. This is how it looks, and the price of this salwar is 670. A very pretty semi-raw silk material. In the center design we have a beautiful embroidery in elephant pattern in nice peach color. Contrast is very beautiful, dark fawn with peach, and the dupatta is in contrast peach color with a very pretty silk cotton dupatta for this salwar, and the price of this salwar is 670. Very pretty cotton salwar material, mustard shade, beautiful design with a small sequence work running throughout the body. We just have a closer look so that you can see the sequence work also. Very pretty one, beautiful sequence work, and the bottom is in contrast printed one, and the dupatta is again a very pretty chiffon dupatta in dual shade, and the price of this salwar is 980. A very beautiful blue color semi-raw silk material with a center neck pattern design which is completely embroidery in contrast beige, and the bottom is also in contrast color with a nice silk cotton dupatta. This is the dupatta of the salwar, and the price of this salwar is 670. A very beautiful akoba pattern salwar material in off-white shade. The top is akoba pattern with small sequence work inside the top also. Looks really classy, and the bottom is in contrast green with a very beautiful chiffon dupatta with nice embroidery in the dupatta, and small sequence work also is there in the dupatta. Looks really grand and nice, and the price of this salwar is 1050. A very beautiful blue color salwar material, a nice peacock blue with and the patchwork is being done in navy blue shade with buttons in the center. Looks very neat and elegant salwar this is, and the bottom is in contrast navy blue with a nice chiffon shawl in navy blue again. This is how the salwar looks, and the price of this salwar is 980. A nice neon green color salwar material with a beautiful, the material is chanderi, and we have a nice embroidery and sequence work in the front part of the salwar. Looks really rich and grand and elegant also, and the bottom is in contrast blue with a classy dupatta for this salwar. Very pretty dupatta with sequence work in the dupatta. Nice silky dupatta it is. This is how it looks, and the price of this salwar is 1160. Very beautiful maroon, soft cotton maroon color salwar material with a beautiful neck design in the center with a cute small mirror works in the center line. Beautiful pattern. The bottom is in contrast maroon. And the dupatta is a very beautiful silk dupatta. This is the dupatta. Very pretty one. And the price of this salwar is 1120. A very pretty fawn with pink color combination, semi-raw silk material. A beautiful design of center embroidery in elephant pattern in pink color with a contrast pink color bottom for this salwar, and a nice silk cotton dupatta for this. This is the dupatta of the salwar, and the price of this salwar is 670. Very pretty red color salwar material. Nice soft cotton material, in that a very pretty small sequence work in the front part. Very beautiful pattern, and the bottom is in contrast green shade, more of a dark elaichi green with the chiffon dupatta for this, contrast chiffon dupatta, and the price of this salwar is 840. A nice chanderi material in maroon, very beautiful one. We have a nice sequence and embroidery pattern in the front part of the salwar. Looks really rich, and the bottom is in contrast beige with a lovely dupatta of printed material and silkish material, and we have nice sequence work in the dupatta. This is how the salwar looks. Very grand salwar, and the price of this salwar is 1160. Nice red color semi-raw silk material with a nice center pattern, beautiful design in the center panel, a lovely embroidery in contrast, and the bottom is in contrast beige color with a nice contrast dupatta in silk cotton material. This is how it looks, and the price of this salwar is 670. A lovely navy blue with mustard combination salwar material. This is a completely patchwork in the neck, in the center neck with small wooden work, and the bottom is in contrast mustard, and the dupatta of the salwar is again in mustard. This is how the salwar looks, and the price of this salwar is 980. A nice maroon color cotton salwar material in bandhani pattern. We have a nice design in the center neckline with small buttons also, and a very pretty daman work for this salwar. Very pretty small knot works in the bottom part of the salwar, and the bottom is in contrast blue, and the dupatta is a chiffon dupatta with edging in the corners. This is how the salwar looks, and the price of this salwar is 1120. Very pretty off-white salwar material with a lovely embroidery in the center. Very beautiful one. Nice combination off-white black, and the contrast is in black bottom, and the dupatta of the salwar is a nice silk cotton dupatta. This is how it looks, and the price of this salwar is 700. A very pretty semi-raw silk material. Beautiful. It's more of a beige with a nice yellow color center embroidery being done in the center part. Very beautiful one. The bottom is in contrast yellow with the silk cotton dupatta for this salwar. This is the salwar. This is how it looks, and the price of this salwar is 670. A nice orange color salwar material in the patchwork again. The center panel is a beautiful patchwork. This is completely a patchwork with wooden buttons in the center, and the bottom is in contrast maroon, and the dupatta is a chiffon dupatta in maroon. This is how the salwar looks, and the price of this salwar is 980. A beautiful blue color cotton salwar material, soft cotton material with sequence work in the front. Very pretty, lovely design, more of an ikat pattern design with a contrast bottom, with a lovely dupatta. This is the dupatta of the sari with edging, beautiful edging, and the price of this salwar is 840. A very pretty mustard shade cotton salwar material with a lovely sequence work in the front part of the salwar. Beautiful design, very pretty ikat pattern design in the top with a contrast green color bottom, and a very pretty dupatta, chiffon dupatta, and we have edging in the corners also with small pipings. This is how the salwar looks, and the price of this salwar is 840. Very nice cotton salwar material in green with patchwork in the neckline. Very beautiful patchwork, and in the center we have wooden buttons, and the bottom is in contrast navy blue with the chiffon dupatta for this salwar, and the price of this salwar is 980. Nice chanderi material, beautiful dark grey with a nice embroidery in the center. Lovely sequence work with embroidery in the front part of the salwar. Looks really nice, very different, more like a simple party wear with a contrast pink color bottom, and the shawl is a very classy shawl in organza material, and you have nice sequence work in the dupatta also. You could see that lovely print and sequence work in the dupatta. This is how the salwar looks, very rich and grand, and the price of this salwar is 1160. A beautiful dual tone shade of green color, semi-raw silk material with a lovely design in the center. It's a completely embroidery pattern, beautiful pattern this is, and the bottom is in contrast beige with a lovely contrast silk cotton dupatta. This is the dupatta of the salwar, and the price of this salwar is 670. Beautiful off-white cotton salwar material with a nice neckline in it. A very beautiful one with small knot works with nice cute mirror works either in the center panel. Beautiful pattern, and the body of the salwar is also a jacquard pattern. Very nice contrasting beautiful salwar. The bottom is in contrast green with a very rich dupatta in silk shawl. This is the dupatta in bandhani pattern. This is how the salwar looks, and the price of this salwar is 980. Very pretty ikat salwar material with a nice design. It's a contrast of grey and white. In the center we have a beautiful embroidery in small sequence work and buttons also in the center. Looks very classy pattern, and the bottom of the salwar is in contrast white with a lovely nice ikat pattern dupatta. This is the dupatta of the salwar, and the price of this salwar is 1050. A nice peachish pink color shade cotton salwar material with patchwork in the center, and the contrast is in navy blue with wooden buttons in the center, and the bottom of the salwar is in contrast navy blue with the chiffon shawl for this salwar in navy blue again. This is how the salwar looks, and the price of this salwar is 980. A very pretty cotton salwar material in nice patchwork in the neck pattern, beautiful design with small buttons in the front. Looks really classy, very nice salwar, and the bottom is in contrast pink with a nice chiffon shawl for this salwar. This is how it looks, and the price of this salwar is 980. Nice bandhani salwar material, beautiful design, a very soft cotton material, and in the neckline we have a very pretty design, and in the bottom also we have nice embroidery in the bottom of the salwar. Beautiful pattern. The daman work is very nice in this salwar. The bottom of the salwar is in contrast maroon, and the dupatta is a chiffon dupatta with a nice piping in the sides. Very pretty salwar this is. This is how it looks, and the price of this salwar is 1120. Thanks for watching the video. I'm sure you'd have liked the lovely collections. To purchase these salwars, take a screenshot and send us to the number 93848 I repeat, it's 93848 Thanks for watching the video. Bye bye.